Mango.
A flamingo?
Sun.
A sun?
Grass.
Grass?
The tiger.
I think that might be a different kind of big cat.
That's a big lion.
That's a big lion.
And this, what's this? Giraffe.
A giraffe?
And this is snake.
A
This
snake.
flower. And this is
A flower. And what's that?
and that's an elephant.
An elephant.
And this is a car.
A macaw?
And what's this?
Do you remember what we said that was? He has humps on his back.
Humps on his back.
It's
What's this?
a camel.
A camel and the mango and the
A
sun
flamingo and a
and
sun.
grass.
I think you skipped one over by the elephant.
No.
What's that down by the elephant? Right there.
Here. What's this?
I think that's a monkey with silly hair.
It's a monkey. That's a little baby. That's a baby. That's a baby monkey.
A baby monkey?
Mhm.
Okay.
There. There's milk in it.
There's milk in your cereal.
I want those big monster trucks. I need the motorcycle. I need my big orange monster truck.
Your big orange monster truck.
I need my toys. Please